Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today USTC update for Wednesday 24th of August. Now I do see USTC making amazing movements to the upside. It just completely took off and whatnot, okay? But there is one problem. You see this yellow, blue line that you see is a big resistance, 0.0033, okay? This line right over there is a very big influential level. Now however, there was a retest that I talked about in the previous videos as well. So if I do take the bottom of USTC to the top right there, you actually came down to 0.5, but you didn't make it all the way to 0.618. This was a level that I was looking for, but you really came near that level and hold 0.5 for a while, and then you suddenly push to the upside. You pop to the upside as well. Now that's the trade potentially might have played out. Now there's one more resistance that I still want to bring on, and that is this yellow line right here. So let's talk about that resistance over there. Now there's a good sign. That's really a very good sign, okay? You have actually broke out of a downtrend, and that is really good, okay? Really good. So you do have resistance over there, resistance over here, resistance over there, resistance here as well, one there, another one here, and that's a very big huge break to the upside. There are chances that you might come down for the retest of this trend line and then go up, and potentially that could be a double bottom. And in the future, if you do make that double bottom, that's going to be your neckline over there, and you're going to be looking for a push to the upside. Now that's not confirmed, but if you ever do something like this, then there could be a nice good pump of nearly 48% move to the upside. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on USTC. Do put a stop loss down here at 0.021. If it does go below this blue line again and close below that line, then that's going to be trouble for USTC. And I'm going to see you with the next update. Allah Hafiz.